guys, it's Megan, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how I made these waterproof stickers. These were surprisingly easy to make, and they seem to be super durable too. For this project, you'll need these matte white vinyl sticker sheets. I got mine from Amazon. You'll also need a laminator and laminating sheets. And if you don't have a laminator, you can use self-adhesive laminating sheets instead. I used my Cricut Maker to cut out my stickers, but you can cut them out by hand if you'd like. Now, there are a few ways that you can make your sticker designs, but I made mine in the PicsArt app. When you open the app, click the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down to Color Backgrounds and choose this gray and white checkerboard. This will make the final image a PNG. Go to Tools, Crop, and change the image dimensions to 648 by 888. This is equal to 6.75 by 9.25 inches, which is the maximum print than cut area on the Cricut. For most of my stickers, I just clicked Sticker and searched for the image that I wanted. Once I found one I liked, I made it the size that I wanted, then clicked Border, and set the amount to around 15 to 20 depending on the sticker. I made the border black or white, again depending on the sticker. You can also add your own designs. I made this rainbow optical illusion thing in Procreate and saved it to my photos as a PNG. I clicked Add Photo, chose it, clicked Border, and did the same thing, except this time I made the border black. You can also make stickers from pictures that you've taken. Just click Add Photo. I chose this picture of my new kittens. If you want to use the whole photo, just click Border, set Outer to 0, and set Inner to about 20. And if you want to cut out a portion of the photo, select Cutout and choose Outline. If it's a picture of a person, you can try using the Select tool, but since this wasn't a person, it didn't really work, so I just used Outline to make anything that I wanted to cut out red. Then click the arrow. You might have to use the Restore or Eraser brush to touch things up a little. Click Save, go down to Border, and that's it. When you've filled up the whole page, click the Save button at the top and save it to your camera roll. To make these into stickers, I airdropped the image to my computer and opened Cricut Design Space. You could do this all on your iPad or phone if you wanted to, but I just like using Design Space on my computer for some reason. Create a new project, go to Upload, Upload Image, and drag the image in. Choose Complex, Continue, and make sure everything looks good. Click Continue again, and make sure that Save as a Print Then Cut image is selected. You can also rename it if you'd like. Then click Save. Select the image and click Insert Image. Make sure that the image is as close to 6.75 by 9.25 inches as possible, then click Make It. Click Continue, Send to Printer, and print the images on the vinyl sticker sheets. I was making 2 sticker sheets, so I repeated this with my other set of images. Once I had both pages printed, I put them together with the right sides facing out. I carefully put them inside a laminating pouch, and here's what it should look like so far. I ran it through my laminator at the highest setting, then used scissors to cut the pages apart. Laminating 2 sticker sheets at once will help you save your materials, plus I'm pretty sure it would make the sticker sheets a little bit easier to cut. So now you should have 2 sticker sheets with laminate on top. To cut the stickers out, put the page on your Cricut mat and put Scotch tape over the black lines. This will make sure that the Cricut machine can actually read the registration marks. I used the green standard grip mat for the first set, but I changed my mind and used the blue light grip mat for the second, and I think the blue mat worked better. Go back into Design Space, open your project back up, and then select I've already printed. Set the base material to heavy watercolor paper, and select More Pressure. Put the mat in your Cricut machine and let it take care of the rest. When that was done, I used my Cricut Weeder and Cricut spatula to remove the stickers from the mat. I repeated this exact same process for the second sheet of stickers, and here's how they turned out. Now it was time for the ultimate test. Are these actually waterproof? First, I tested just one sticker on an old water bottle to see if it actually worked, and I'm happy to report that it did. I ran the sticker under water for a couple minutes and none of the ink came off. To test their durability even further, I scrubbed it with this wire sponge thing, and then I used a scrub brush over it. And as you can see, the sticker held up really well. After testing the stickers on my old water bottle, I was confident enough to stick them on my Hydro Flask. Most of these images are from PicsArt, but I made a few of the designs myself. The Drake and Josh sticker was actually what inspired this video. I saw someone selling this as a sticker on Redbubble, and I was like, why should I pay some random person $3 for this screenshot from a TV show when I could spend $15 and make my own? 'Cause logic. Granted, I already had the Cricut and the laminating machine, but I still have 18 more sheets of the printable vinyl left. I think these would make great little gifts for the holidays coming up. You could find pictures of things that someone likes and put a bunch of stickers in like a card or something. Oh, and I almost forgot, these are completely removable. They don't leave any residue or, stains or anything like that. It comes right off your Hydro Flask. These can be used on so many different things, like water bottles, your laptop. I put a couple of the extra ones on the sketchbook that I had. And again, if you ever want to remove it, they just peel right off. So that was everything for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this one. My merch, my website, and all of my social media will be linked down below. I love you guys so much. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy. And yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye.